Hi, this is Holmes Guide. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of espresso machines to help you find the best one for your home or business. Whether you're a coffee aficionado or just starting your journey, we've got you covered. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share for more espresso tips and recommendations. Number 1. Breville Barista Express Espresso Machine, the ultimate home espresso solution for coffee enthusiasts. Crafted with brushed stainless steel, the BES 870XL exudes elegance and durability. With its large capacity, this espresso machine is perfect for brewing multiple cups of your favorite espresso drinks without compromising on quality. The built-in grinder ensures that you can enjoy freshly ground coffee beans for every brew, while the precise temperature control and pressure gauge guarantee optimal extraction every time. Whether you're a seasoned barista or just starting out, the Breville Barista Express Espresso Machine offers intuitive features and customizable settings to help you craft the perfect cup of espresso in the comfort of your own home. Say goodbye to expensive coffee shop trips and hello to café-quality espresso with the Breville Barista Express. Number 2. De'Longhi Stylosa Manual Espresso Machine, the perfect choice for coffee lovers who crave the authentic taste of espresso, lattes, and cappuccinos. With its sleek black and stainless steel design, the EC260BK adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen countertop. Equipped with a powerful 15-bar pump pressure system and a milk frother steam wand, this espresso machine ensures professional quality drinks with rich, creamy froth every time. The compact size of 13.5 by 8.07 by 11.22 inches makes it ideal for small spaces, while still offering ample room for brewing multiple servings. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned barista, the De'Longhi Stylosa Manual Espresso Machine is easy to use and delivers delicious coffeehouse-style beverages in the comfort of your own home. Number 3. Mr. Coffee Espresso and Cappuccino Machine, the ultimate coffee maker for those who crave the perfect espresso or cappuccino in the comfort of their own home. With its sleek stainless steel design, this programmable coffee maker adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen countertop. Equipped with an automatic milk frother and a powerful 15-bar pump, the Mr. Coffee Espresso and Cappuccino Machine ensures creamy froth and rich flavor with every brew. Whether you prefer a single shot of espresso or a decadent cappuccino, this machine has you covered. Plus, with programmable settings, you can customize your coffee just the way you like it, every time. Say goodbye to expensive coffee shop trips and hello to barista-quality beverages at home with the Mr. Coffee Espresso and Cappuccino Machine. Number 4. L'Or Barista System Coffee and Espresso Machine Combo by Phillips, the ultimate coffee solution for those who appreciate the perfect cup of coffee or espresso. With its sleek design and innovative features, this machine seamlessly combines style and functionality to elevate your coffee experience. Equipped with a built-in milk frother and a variety of brewing options, including espresso, lungo, and filter coffee, the L'Or Barista system allows you to customize your coffee just the way you like it. Plus, with its intuitive touchscreen display and programmable settings, brewing your favorite drinks has never been easier. Whether you're a coffee aficionado or just starting out, the L'Or Barista System Coffee and Espresso Machine Combo ensures barista-quality beverages in the comfort of your own home. Number 5. Jeevy Espresso Machine, the perfect addition to any coffee lover's kitchen. With its compact design and powerful features, this espresso maker brings the cafe experience right to your home. The built-in milk frother steam wand allows you to create rich and creamy froth for cappuccinos and lattes, while the 34-ounce removable water tank ensures hassle-free refills. Whether you're craving a quick espresso shot or a luxurious latte, the Jeevy Espresso Machine delivers delicious and barista-quality beverages with just the touch of a button. Plus, its sleek and modern design adds a touch of elegance to any countertop. Say goodbye to expensive coffee shop trips and hello to café-quality drinks in the comfort of your own home with the Jeevy Espresso Machine. In conclusion, finding the best espresso machine depends on your specific needs and preferences. Whether you're a novice or an experienced barista, there's a perfect option out there for you. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like, and share it with others who might benefit from it.